Do you have trouble concentrating or even remembering recent information? In this ONsalus Health video, we share 10 foods for memory and concentration for adults that may help you. The brain is a complex organ that requires specific nutrients to function properly, with our ability to pay attention, learn, and remember directly influenced by food. We start with walnuts, one of the most recommended foods to strengthen memory. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, all nutrients that protect brain cells. Eating a handful a day can improve memory and concentration, making them ideal for both older adults and students. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna are also essential for memory and concentration. Their high omega-3 content strengthens neural connections, improving not only memory but also learning ability. Include them in your diet at least twice a week. Among foods to improve memory in adults, blueberries stand out for their high concentration of antioxidants. These small fruits help protect the brain from aging, improve long-term memory, and are delicious as a snack or in smoothies. Broccoli is not only good for the body, it is good for the mind. It is rich in vitamin K, known to enhance cognitive function. In addition, it contains antioxidants that prevent brain deterioration, making it one of the best foods for memory and should not be missing from your diet. We continue with turmeric, a type of root which contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Common in Asian cuisine, this ingredient may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases and improve short-term memory. Add it to your meals or even add a teaspoon to your drink. Dark chocolate is not only a pleasure for the palate, but also one of the foods that may boost memory. This sweet treat may improve blood circulation in the brain to enhance concentration. Choose chocolate with 70% cocoa or more to take full advantage of its benefits and eat in moderation. Small but mighty, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for memory and learning, making them one of the best foods for good memory. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or eat them as a snack. Avocado is a source of healthy fats that promote blood circulation and therefore brain function. This food is especially beneficial for older adults as it helps keep the mind active and improves long-term memory. Especially the yolk, eggs are rich in choline, a key ingredient for strengthening neural connections. Among foods good for memory, eggs are very versatile and easy to include in any meal of the day. Finally, oranges close this list of foods to improve memory in adults. With a high amount of vitamin C, this citrus fruit protects the brain from free radicals, which can cause brain damage. An orange a day covers your needs for this essential vitamin. And that's it for the 10 foods for memory that you can incorporate into your daily life to keep your mind healthy and active. From walnuts to dark chocolate, they are all delicious and easy to integrate into your meals. Which of these foods do you already eat? Leave us your answer in the comments, and we'll see you next time.